Well, I do say, sir. What is it? What does it say? It's a Potta. A Potta in Bruuumfield. One of the best relays in all of the land. Potta. I have put in a new Potta relay. I thought we were going to need a contactor, but we need actually the Potta relay. Potta, 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 Potta. Sometimes you go on a roof and it's a bad contactor. Other times it is the Potta in Bruuumfield relay that has since failed. Good thing I carry many Potta in Bruuumfield relays on me. Alright, installing 3 of these bitches. So we're gonna need the drill. Oh, there goes the phone. Making people sick. Alright. God damn it. Dude, today has been like 13 hours already. It's been like, I'm on my 8th call. So, fun me. Drill bits. Let's just get the one that's gonna work and be fucking done. You know what I mean? Let's do that. Damn it. Everything today is a fucking struggle. Everything today is a fucking struggle. Shit balls. This is for a return air sensor. I think I need 12 screws or some shit. Screws. I like these gray ones with the little washer. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get this bullshit done. Alright, connected. All you gotta do is press zone number 1 through 4 with true zone panels, which are not. Change zoning only if you have more than 1 thermostat, and EIM, which we do. Connect, done. That's it. Super simple. So now we're gonna cool. Let's go 71. Fan on. Fan. Sweet. So now no matter where you put this, it's not going to read here. It's going to read from that return sensor right there. So, simple enough. And more. Hold until 6 p.m. I hate that shit. No, we just want permanent hold. There we go. Okay, next one. What's up, pimp? What you want? What's up, pimp? Alright, so those ones are super simple to do. Hit connect. if you got more than one wireless thermostat. Just changed from 52, 53, 54. Why they started those numbers, I don't fucking know. But that's what I can tell you. So, anyways, have a great day. See what we can get in tomorrow. Got to go up to the mountains like 2-3 hours away for an ice maker. So, should be a nice little ride.